Welcome to our training video for creating test shells. Now what creation of test shells does is creates bubble sheets for tests that we currently already have, let's say a Microsoft Word file for. So if a teacher does not have enough time to create a whole test within eDoctrina, but would still prefer to have their students use bubble sheets so that they can be scanned for scores into eDoctrina so that we can generate reports, that is what this video will teach you how to do. Again, we are creating test shells. So we start off the same way when creating a normal test by going to the assessments section within the assessments tab, and we are going to go to the top and insert a new assessment or start a new assessment. Again, here's our create assessment section. The description is the title of the test. The special instructions are special instructions for the student, but again, you're not creating a test for a student to read questions off of because you already have a Word file or a hard copy of that test. So all we're looking to do here is fill in the needed information so that we can create bubble sheets. So all you need is to fill out the information areas with an asterisk. So the year is correct, we're going to change the grade, and we're going to change the subject. Once that is complete, we're going to click Save so that our other tabs appear. And we are just going to start within this Questions tab and focus here on creating our test shell. So let's say we have a Microsoft Word file or a hard copy of a test that has 10 multiple choice questions and one short answer. I'm going to add all of those in right now. I'm going to do 10 multiple choice first, all letter ABC with 4 choices, and they are all worth 1 point each. And then I'm going to add in my one short answer, also known as my teacher scored, and that's also going to be worth 1 point. So I have my 11 questions in eDoctrina. I don't have time to fill in the preview or the questions section because I already have that in a Microsoft Word file and I just want to give the test to my students. So the first thing that I will need to do is make sure that the correct answer is labeled for each question on my test. And you're going to go all the way down and label every correct answer. For each multiple choice question. And we're also going to want to make sure that in our teacher scored questions, the point values are correct, which it is. If you would like to attach standards at this point, you're more than welcome to do so, but you do not have to. If you wanted to attach a standard, you just click and drag into the standards section. Then from this point, you can create an answer bubble sheet to give to your students without having to add in the whole entire test within this preview section. The reason is because the answer info section here is what creates our answer bubble sheets. You have made sure that you've chosen the type of question it is, the number of choices, the correct answer, and the point value. From there, regardless of what test your students have in front of them, as long as they fill out their answer bubble sheet, they will be able to then, or you will be able to then scan those bubble sheets and get your reports right through eDoctrina. So once this is done, you would click Save. It would load for a moment and save and close. From there, we would need to print our answer sheets. So we would go to our Quick Links tab and go to our teacher dashboard. We are printing answer sheets for Math 12 that we just figured out. We click the answer sheet that we want. and click Print. And here are our answer sheets for each student within the class. If you have any questions, you can contact Broome Tioga BOCES. Have a wonderful day.